Today, my video will help those employees who have not been paid their salary by a private limited company. It is very commonplace for companies not to pay salary to their employees on time, and usually the employee has very little recourse, or so he feels, but all of that changes today. In a beautiful judgment by Justice S.C. Dharmadhikari and Justice B.P. Kolabawala, they have entertained a petition for winding up of the company by an employee who was not paid his salary. This is a very unique position that has been taken up by the honorable judges. They have held that section 439 of the Companies Act, read together with section 433 subsection E and 434, enables an employee to go to a high court and wind up a company that has not paid its salary, his salary or her salary, and the court will initiate such winding up proceedings as per the law. So far, this option was not open. Usually, this option is open to vendors who have not been paid, to suppliers who have not been paid. They use this option of winding up a company, but this is a very unique take on this particular case. For those academically inclined, there was a very different position held by Supreme Court in the case Mumbai Labour Union versus Indo-French Time Industries Limited. That will scroll down now. That position now seems to have been overruled in this present case, and now if you have not been paid salary by a company, there is this very powerful option you can use to close down that company. It is called winding up by creditors. So the person who has not been paid a salary is in the position of a creditor, and he now needs to be paid. This may not be something that you can do on your own. You will have to go to a competent lawyer because this involves intricacies, but at least now you know that if you are working somewhere and if your salary is not paid, you can single-handedly bring the company to closure, at least set the process in motion, and if you do so, there is a high likelihood that the company will come and negotiate with you and probably pay your salary and ask you to withdraw the case. Thank you for watching me. This is a very, very important provision. Share it with your friends. Share it with people who have not been paid salaries. This is not applicable if the company is proprietorship or partnership. It is applicable if the company is a private limited company. Thank you for watching me. Subscribe.